Hello, sir.
Hi, lady.
How are you doing?
Good. Oh,
What's up, guys?
welcome to Coastal Crypto,
Welcome.
the hottest new thing in crypto.
I'm Econs.
I'm Algo.
You know how we do? A little bit gangster.
How do we do? No, I don't think they know yet. So
You should, you will.
we're gonna start it off, not on the price, but with our homies.
Yeah, our homies posted some really dope memes today.
Yeah.
On Discord.
So we just wanted to start it off with what's going on today.
Homie memes. This one's from Bootney. What's up, Bootney? Shout out.
Yeah, I feel like we said it yesterday or something, but it's like last week the Bears were like, oh, it's gotta be 44K or it's rejected. And then this week...
Dead cat bounce. Dead cat bounce.
Dead cat bounce. Earlier this week they were like, oh, 55K. It's gotta beat that or it's rejected. It's just a double top, right?
Yeah.
Now it's like... Then it beat that. And now next week it'll probably be 64K. But
Big Daddy don't give an F.
yeah, Big Daddy...
Big Daddy Bitcoin goes off. Who
Oh.
posted this one?
We
Yo,
find deals for you.
We find deals for you, Texas homie.
I think so.
Shout
yeah,
out.
Yeah.
Yup.
That's our friend. He's been working out. Jordan Cameron Crypto. Check out his YouTube channel.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
one of our closest homies, and like I've
Yeah.
learned so much from him. But
Yeah.
look how jacked he is,
Yeah,
yo.
he's been working out.
He can get it.
He's been drinking like gallons of eggs and stuff.
Just straight up eggs.
Liquid eggs.
He's married to Ethereum, so yeah,
Yeah,
he's got to keep his
gotta
body
get
like
jacked,
tight.
'cause
Yeah, she's a cyborg.
Sometimes she's getting pumped.
Yeah, Eve likes to
Like,
pump it.
Excited, like we're saying.
Pump it up. Oh,
This is the shower of candles.
the shower of candlesticks.
Is there like a deeper message here in it? I'm trying to find out. Is it like...
It just feels so good when the price is going up, and I think he's like feeling it. And I think Bathwater Basin posted this. What up, homie? Shout out.
Yeah.
Aw.
Our friend Musty.
Musty from Amsterdam posted this one. Musty's a badass trader.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's into stonks.
He's into stocks and
Stonks and stinkers.
crypto too.
And crypto.
Yeah, Musty's dope. But yeah, it's
OMG is what he
it
likes.
totally looks like a cup and handle.
Yeah, no, I laughed when I read it because he's like, I get it.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, what the Bears have been saying all...
You silly bears. Just it's time to
all
FOMO
month already,
bears.
all
Just
October now. It's
get
almost
in
halfway
there.
through the
You
month.
bears are a bunch of no coiners waiting for Bitcoin to hit all-time highs. It's not like you should just get in now. Get in, DCA.
Yeah, time to FOMO.
Time to FOMO bears. Anywho, I think Bathwater also posted this one. He's just like so quick with the memes.
He's a meme master.
Yeah, Bathwater's dope. We want to have some homies on the show eventually. He's definitely one of our guests that we want to have on in the future. Bootney also. Drew Durant.
Here you go, babe.
All right.
Let's slide right into the Bitcoin price of the day.
Okay, guys. So let's talk about Bitcoin. I was on the Binance Tether US chart. Oh, not that one. This Binance chart. Okay, guys. So we were talking about...
What was we talking about?
Well, I was at work, and so I was like, I didn't know what the price of Bitcoin was at.
So you were thinking about Bitcoin while you were at work?
Nah, I wasn't, because I'm very busy. I'm a manager.
Yeah, you wouldn't do that.
So, like, I didn't see the price till I got out of work. And then I looked at the price, and I was like, oh, it's above 57K. We must have gained support of that 786. So I came over to Algo's, and I threw the fib on there, like I explained in our last video. If you haven't seen it, I explained how to draw some fibs. But yeah, so now Big Daddy Bitcoin has gained support of the 786, and this is huge, guys. He hasn't hit this 786 since May 10th, 2021. Do y'all remember when we fell from that? Like, it was
Do
so
y'all
scary.
remember, y'all?
We have been through so much, homies.
Woo!
Like, that fall from the 786 down here all the way down below the 236. And now we're back at the 786. And it's time for Big Daddy BTC to reclaim his throne. And I also noticed while looking at this chart that we're in a cup and handle on the weekly, which is big.
Wait
So,
a minute.
Yeah, so this cup and handle has a breakout target of $68,474.
But babe, what is a cup and handle pattern?
So a cup and handle is like a rounding pattern, with a handle that all meet at like a neckline, which is represented by this.
So it looks like a cup.
Yes, it looks like a cup
with
you would
the
drink
handle,
from.
Is what you're saying.
Just like the meme we just looked at, a cup and handle.
Wait, but.
Yeah, but also, homies, check out this website, thepatternSite.com. Bukowski wrote books, $100 books about just patterns and charts and candlesticks. Like, this guy is the god of technical analysis. But anywho, he also has this website for free, thepatternSite.com, where he explains everything you need to know about trading and technical analysis. But yeah, so this is the link to Bukowski on the cup and handle, where he talks about the price trend and like what you can expect.
What's the measured move?
So the measured move is from the bottom of the cup to the top of the handle, which also should meet at like the start of the cup. And then so you draw a line from the bottom to the top, and then you can move that, and that's how you get your measured move. So that's what I did.
Could you go back 1 second? 1 second. So you're saying that the measurement, the measured move is from the bottom of the cup to where A,
the top of the handle.
B to A?
Yeah.
Okay.
So all you do.
So the measured move is from the top of the cup, is what we found out, right? Yeah.
Well.
Or is what I found out.
Yeah, I already knew that. But yeah, so it's from the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup, and also the top of the handle where they all meet on that green line. And then you move that line to the green line, and then you get your breakout target of 68,474, which...
That's a lot.
It's a lot. It's more than our all-time high, which was around 64.8-ish. Bitcoin's
never been that high.
He's never been that high, but Big Daddy runs this, so I feel like he could do it. Also, what I'm seeing on this weekly chart, which is crazy because it's the weekly, is the possibility of the 3 white soldier candle formation. So if we continue up in this cup and handle, we're going to complete this bullish, bull town, 100% candle formation, 3 white soldiers, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Which is going to get us up past all-time highs. There's just a couple things I want you guys to be aware of. Is I noticed some bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and that's where the price is making a higher high, and then the RSI is making a lower low. So we do have that bearish divergence on the 4-hour, which could bring us down a bit. I'm not super worried about it. I still think the 3 white soldiers on the weekly will play out, and the cup and handle will also play out. One other thing, the stochastic RSI on the daily is hella overbought. So expect the trend to maybe wane a little bit. And also on the weekly, I think it's a little overbought as well. So, but Algo was noticing some bullish stuff also on the Bitcoin chart, and he wanted to show us a couple things that are in confluence with these breakouts as well.
Yeah, I had some similar targets already written, and that's one thing that we like to do, right?
Yeah.
Is like you do your own work and research and charting, and then I do my own research and charting, right?
Yeah.
So we each have our own idea.
Yeah.
And then we bring those ideas together, right?
Yeah.
And
we see like different stuff sometimes, and we're like, that lines up.
We try and find, or it lines up exactly, or it doesn't line up, and we try and figure out why and what the difference of what we're seeing,
Yeah.
So like conversation about the charts with people is really what, like, it helps us learn.
For
right?
sure. And that's why Discord is great too, because the homies post charts too,
Yeah.
or they'll have other ideas. So
that's what it's like. Yeah.
It's all about community.
I never
like,
even used
learning.
Discord before this year.
Yeah, I never had Discord before I got into crypto.
Oh, so I was just seeing possibly, like, this is a fractal that I'm testing out right now to see if it plays out. And I think we're repeating the bottom of the fractal, or of the pump formation that we just had.
Yeah.
And so basically, by the 14th or 15th, we should figure out if this fractal is in play, and you would expect kind of another little drastic dip tomorrow, or later today into 54,000. You know, area.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
Somewhere give
That's
or
like
take.
a normal correction for Big Daddy.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
bad. Yeah. So you would just expect like us to kind of have a little drop,
Yeah.
and then possibly that's the last drop before a pop.
I feel like I'm seeing a little sideways too before we pop off.
Yeah,
Because of the RSI situation.
Yeah, it could take up to a week. I feel like.
Yeah.
To get to where we need to go, but overall, I just think it looks good, but it could look good, and then all of a sudden it could change one day. So that's just why we look at it daily, and we're just trying to bring you our daily perspective today.
Yeah.
So.
It could change like at the drop of a dime, like a bad news article or a good news article.
Yeah, an adoption. A company adopts, a company unadopts. Who knows? Yep. ETFs are actually supposed to be dropping soon, so that's something to look at.
They're supposed to have been dropping soon, so I don't know. I'll believe it when I see it.
That's probably why we're pumping now and they haven't been announced, but we'll find out.
Yeah. They've been trying to do ETFs for so long, though. There's like 13 in line that have not gotten.
13?
Yeah, since like 2000 and something.
Oh my gosh.
2013.
Boo.
The first one was the Winklevoss twins. Were the first ones to introduce a Bitcoin ETF.
Those guys.
Yeah, they got
crazy.
rejected.
All right, well, until next time.
Wait, if you guys want to look at any coins, we want to look at some different coins next time. So leave us a comment down below with what coins you want to look at, or if you want to learn about like a different technical indicator, you have a question for us, right?
Yeah, if you want to hit us up on about any questions you guys have about an indicator, about possibly how to do something that you don't know how to do, maybe on Pancake Swap or one of the swaps, how to swap coins, how to buy an NFT, things like that. We're thinking about doing kind of like how to do things like entry level, and then maybe we'll expand off of that. But
yeah.
So we would greatly appreciate anybody's suggestions, and if you guys have any coins that you want us to look at too, we can look at those.
Yeah, if you want us to look at your coins, we'll peep them.
We'll peep them.
We're chart nerds. We love all that stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we can go?
Yeah, I think so.
Yay.
All right. Peace out, homies.
Bye.
See you later. Like, wait, tell them.